Hello. If you see the left bottom corner of the NX display screen, then you can find one small tiny access system is there, and only few people know what the name of this small tiny access system and application of this access system. The name of this small tiny access system is Show View Triad, and application is to view the rotatable views. Okay. So what the mean behind I'm saying rotatable views? By using MB2 button, we can rotate the component. If you want to rotate the proper way, then we need to use the show view triad. Just click on the Y and put angle some 10 degree or 5 degree and press enter. Press again and again and enter. You can able to rotate your component around 360 degree. Now I want to rotate my component along X, then click on X, just click on 10, again rotate along 10. Then come to the normal view. I'm pressing F8, then click on Y. Then I can put some values. Then again it's come rotate. You can view your component along 360 degree and every direction uh, it's possible to view. So you can hide this show view triad also and shift it to a right side also. So you need, if you want to hide, then go to the file, preferences, visualization, and here if you uncheck the show view triad, click apply, then it's hide from the your display screen.